Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
Well, hello again.
Good morning from somewhere out here in the middle of the water.
Good morning from Sea Day. We're probably about 20 miles, maybe 10 from yesterday. We haven't exactly been making huge progress because it's only 80 miles. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You get some coffee.
Coffee. Please. Thank you. I'll be back with cream. I like him already.
Thank you.
Sometimes we tend to forget the cream, so I just remind you. And remind myself as well.
Thank you.
All right, coffee.
Coffee?
So today's our Sea Day, and I think on tap we're going to do the military appreciation thing, or shoot for that. We'll shoot for the Groove for St. Jude and the Build-A-Bear. Check out, hang out on the Lido a little bit. Maybe a couple beers. I'm going to try and eat maybe 8 or 10 times today. We'll see if that goes out. Everything is automated menus now, so or all e-menus.
Hey, they could get the MDR dining room menu. Just doing that QR
I think you can pick it up here. But anyway, that's where all the menus reside now. We don't even have printed fun times anymore.
No, it's all on the app, which is actually really cool. They've done a couple of things that I've really appreciated. With the Build-A-Bear, you can actually reserve your spot, and so I've chosen for the two of us to have spots, and we've already done our online check-in.
Yeah, and Sea Day Brunch, we actually reserve the table 10 minutes in advance, and then you just walk down here and grab a table.
And I think that's really cool because there's no more waiting out in the lobby area, just milling around, because that was kind of a...
Yeah, there's some good that came out of some of this.
Yes, I'm really appreciative of a lot of this stuff. The menu is new and updated from what we've seen in the past. There is some things that I know they've changed the Sea Day Brunch menu right before this thing started, and so there's some things that are new and some things that are from that new menu. Pretty excited. We've got screenshots of all of it, so we should be able to post it somewhere.
Some of it sounds very interesting. Most of this was already on the menu that I recall. I remember the Voyage Burger and stuff like that. Huevos Rancheros, Egg Benedict. I think this morning I'm going to give a go with brunch spaghetti. I don't think I've ever had that.
No. And there's a couple of things I'm going to try. There's a gluten-free parfait I want to try that's got some granola. And then...
Classic steak and eggs,
I think I'm going to do steak and
$5
eggs.
juice.
Yeah. The pressed juices are really cool. It is fresh pressed juice, so if you know what vegetables you prefer, you can get that.
Wait, Jugo Verde.
I don't know if they've got that. I think we're missing the nopales.
It's been just a phenomenal time. I think we've gravitated more toward outside stuff just because we're not big fans of the mask. We're happy to cruise with the mask just to be out here actually cruising.
Yeah, and we've met a lot of people like that.
You know, and things there are capacity limits with the piano bar and the shows and stuff like that. So we've done a lot more chilling. Every cruise seems like it takes on its own personality. And this one we've done a lot of just kind of chilling and hanging out. Had a good time.
I think yesterday with the bungalow, if you have the opportunity to rent a bungalow at a private island, just do it, suck it up, spend the money. It was so worth it.
We could ramble on and on about it. And I freely admit that I had prejudice to a private island. I thought I was getting jerked out of a real port, and that the cruise line was just kind of throwing in a fake something at us, but I get it.
Jason was teasing me. He's like, so is this what you picture if we won the lottery and bought an island? Is this what you think we're going to do? And I'm like, uh-huh.
Yeah, but that's not how we won the lottery and bought an island. I think I'd end up in the well house working on a pump or something, right? We hopefully we'll collect up some of our folks and have some breakfast. The military appreciation is at 10:15. It is currently 9:30, so we should have enough time to eat and start checking it out.
Yeah, and the military appreciation is literally that way.
Yeah, we just dig it. I'll try to film in there if that's okay with everybody, but we'll get some breakfast here and show you what it looks like. Good morning.
Nope.
Breakfast has arrived. Let's see.
Sorry, I started macking.
Yeah, we all did. Steak and eggs?
Yeah.
huevos rancheros, breakfast spaghetti, and 1 bite out of the eggs Benedict. Looks pretty yummy though. We're gonna eat and then try and make it to the military appreciation thing, which we may have to either be late or skip. We got about 9 minutes. That's life at sea. Chill out here for a little bit.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Are you in need of some art?
I am in need of art. Anything beach. Beach, happy, fun.
That's kind of cool.
That is cool. Isn't that cute? There's a Mickey and Minnie. Oh, and look at, it's all the puppies from the Dalmatians.
It's the Dalmatian plantation.
Isn't that cute?
That's cute. Looking at all the beautiful artwork.
Right? Oh, that's trippy. love art.
Well, there it is.
Hate to see you go, but you gotta go.
As much as you love the heart, you don't want to see it on a cruise ship. That's the way it goes. Pay bigger money, get on a longer cruise. It won't happen. Well, we still got today. Well, one of my favorite things, and definitely one of Krista's, is...
Yes. Groove for St. Jude. They do, they raise money for St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and I love it!
I'm curious to see what the totals are with the limited capacity. I mean, we've been on ships where they raise $2,500, $3,500, so it'll be. I'm curious. We'll do our part. We'll try. We'll try tow line here.
We rap.
Meanwhile, how about a little of this?
Hey guys.
And look what we got here.
Johnny B! Johnny B!
What are you drinking, brother?
Margarita.
Nice.
Ooh.
Sat here on the side of the stage and listened to the little short nursery rhymes. It was.
We're well under our way for our sales for Groove for St. Jude. Remember, 100% of your donations go to the children of St. Jude's Hospital.
We do not have the extra large, I'm afraid. We do have 2X.
Organization that we do. We partnered with every single cent that comes from these T-shirts.
Yeah, it's kind of a side effect of getting up and going.
Gorgeous little teddy bears.
Fleet-wide, we're kind of running short on the more popular sizes. But that's a $20 donation. I do appreciate that.
Over the years, because of amazing guests just like you, every single one of you, we have been able to raise millions of dollars for children suffering from cancer. So give it up for yourselves and for everyone who has donated throughout the years.
And what's your cabin number, Chris?
Peeps, we're going to be having those sales, but don't forget, it is not just about that. This is the groove for St. Jude. So once we get this line out of the way, we're going to have ourselves a little boogie as well. Make sure you get that sunscreen on, baby. I know that those clouds are tricking some of you right now. You don't want to go home on lobster. I know you want that color, but come on.
I wish it was like designed with pictures of Bono or something.
Right?
That'd be rad.
Also, you guys, one last thing, just
Thank you for your
remember,
donation.
due to supply chain problems that we are all suffering from because of this wonderful pandemic, we do not have mediums or extra larges. It is like a fleet-wide thing. So with those sizes, you guys, mediums and extra larges, we are completely out of those.
for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.